बरसाती
Basati,
बरसाती
Basati,
चूहे जिहा
Chuetia.
मूंह वेख जा आगे अपना
Wow, too difficult.
I'm gonna say it again
Okay.
बरसाती
Basati,
चूहे
Chue,
जिहा
Jia,
मूंह
Mu,
वेख
Vek,
जाके
Jage,
अपना
Apana.
One more thing
Ah, okay.
सोनू
Sonu,
मोटे
Mode,
घट
Kate,
खाया
Kaya,
कर
Kal.
मैं
मैं
आप सबसे
आप सबसे
बहुत
बहुत
प्यार करती हूँ
ग्रोटेड
प्यार
प्यार
करती
करती
हूँ
हूँ
लेकिन
लेकिन
आपका
आपका
मुंह
मन
इस काबिल नहीं है
इसका बिल्डिंग
हाँ इस काबिल नहीं है इस काबिल you just
I told you to cut this all.
Jazakallah khair. Okay, what about the Pakistani people? Like he's a Pakistani boy, right?
Yes, yes.
He was good.
Yes, he's very friendly.
Oh, जबरदस्त मरेज मदद की थी ना यदि इधर आ कैमरे से आ मदद की थी यदि
अच्छी तरह की है सही
चुकता तो नहीं मारिया
नहीं नहीं
What about the Pakistani food? Like, what
think-
do you like the most?
Hosts. I think that tastes good, but I think the most good is like
अच्छा बोलते सही इतना अड़न दे हैं
chicken meat and I don't know how to like the barbecue.
Oh nice. Yes, barbecue. Exactly. चर्बी होंदी है वादू पा के इतनी चर्बी पा देंदे ने कि हलक च अड़ जांदा है यार.
Yeah,
It's very good. It's very amazing.
yes.
And what about the Pakistani girls?
Pakistan?
Pakistani girls, are they beautiful or not?
Yes, yes.
ठरकिया जिहा
yes, beautiful.
ठरकिया जिहा आवाम ਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਹੈ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨੀ ਲੜਕੀਆਂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਹੋਤੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ
हाँ, होती हैं
ਠਰਕ ਛਾੜ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਲਗਾ Brilliant. What about the Pakistani business industry? Like Pakistani business industry, is this appealing or not? Like what do you see about the Pakistani businessmen?
It's hard to say actually, honestly, because we here find the reliable partners to do this business together. Because we saw the market here in EV cars, but we also go around the hall, the exhibition. There are EV cars, but the price is too high. We need to figure out ways to lower the price to like 60 to 80% of the public can affordable for the EV cars. That is the market.
Achha ma'am, what about the food? Have you tried anything, any Pakistani food so far?
Yeah, the food is good. We like the food here.
What have you tried like biryani, nihari? कुछ खुआया भी है नानू के नहीं?
Yeah, he eats everything. Yeah, like he eats biryani.
अच्छा ही नहीं शी ने.
Both of them. Yeah.
We are staying together.
Yeah. So, yeah, they eat kebab, they eat chicken.
You've tried kebabs?
Yeah.
What about them? What about the taste?
That means
like chicken, boneless, the beef barbecue.
barbecue.
Yeah.
Barbecue is good, and the chicken taste is good. It is similar like Chinese one. Yeah.
What about the desserts? Mita खुआया?
Yeah, dessert, sweets.
Sweets is same, exactly same with in Chinese. Yeah.
I have tried sushis a lot of times. Sushi is a Chinese dish if I'm not wrong, right?
It's Japanese.
China ਦੀ dish ਦੱਸੋ ਚੰਗੀ ਜਿਹੀ impression ਪਾਉਣਾ.
China. What is the favorite dish in China? Like the noodles or something.
Noodles, rice. Actually, we have a very good rice last night. Yeah.
What does it mean?
Fried rice.
Yeah, fried rice.
Yeah,
Fried
yeah,
rice.
Fried rice.
China.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here. in-
We
from
Pakistani
here,
people.
it's very good.
Exactly. We guys love Chinese food. Like we have multiple outlets, multiple Chinese outlets, like in every single corner of Lahore and Islamabad. And like literally we have stalls now. People are selling Chinese food on stalls.
Really?
Yes, exactly.
Really?
Yeah.
उन्होंने बरकत मार्केट लेके जाओ ना.
कैसे लेके जाएं बाहर आप चले हम दिखाते हैं आपको बाहर क्या माहौल है